Hi everyone, it's me, Chef Connie, and welcome back to Lots of Yum for You. Thanks for the visit. Today, we're gonna make some mason jar breakfast eggs. You can eat them for dinner if you like to, but I'm gonna do some mason jar scrambled eggs. Really quick and easy meal prep, especially like for me, I do intermittent fasting. I also work from home, and a lot of times I'm busy and I don't have time to go into the kitchen, scramble up some eggs, and whip out this, chop up that, whatever. So gonna make it easy for you, and this is gonna be fun. So again, we're gonna do, it's kind of like it's the egg prep. So we're gonna do mason jar scrambled eggs, very easy. Let's dive right into this video. Hi everyone, so I'm diving right into this video, and what we're gonna do is here, I have some delicious sides that can go into the eggs. Anyway, what we're gonna do is start off with a couple of eggs. Some of you guys might want 2, 3, 4, whatever you want. I would suggest you crack them into a side bowl if you're not good with cracking eggs, because you don't want to have shell in your eggs. So there we go. Usually I eat about 2 eggs to 3. So I have my 2 eggs cracked in the bowl. Here's my mason jar. Pour the eggs into the mason jar. This is so much fun, folks. And then what you do is, I have bacon. So I'll put some bacon in here. I have some spinach, chopped spinach. Drop some chopped spinach in here. I have some red onions. I'll drop some red onions in here. And then I have some, I like red bell pepper. And then I have some, and I like meat, so here's some leftover carne asada from yesterday. I chopped up and threw it in. All right, there we have it. I'll probably throw in another egg because that just doesn't look like enough for me. So I'll throw in one more egg. You can put in as many eggs as you like. This is so much fun to do. So what you do is you take this, let me rinse my hands off. You want to take the jar, the mason jar, you've got all these ingredients in it. Oh, and if you like, you can also add salt. I usually don't add salt because the meat's already salted, but then black pepper. So I will add some black pepper to this, and that's it. Take my mason jar top. Okay, now you can shake it up now, or you can shake it up when you put it, when you get ready to make it. But you could make several of these jars, leave them sitting in the fridge. Look at that, already made. All I have to do is go over to the stove, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go over to the stove, show you how easy it is to just throw this in the pan and cook it. All right, be right back, meet you at the stove. Hi everyone, so we are at the stove. I have my mason jar egg. It's all shaken up. I'm gonna put it on the side here. I'm heating up the pan, and I'm gonna put some butter into this pan to cook my egg in. Yeah, it's a lot of butter. Okay. Don't judge me. I love butter. So here we go. The butter is melting. Okay. So this is actually the tool that I'm going to use on the pan. I love this thing right here. Yeah, you don't want to use any metal against metal. This pan is so awesome. The egg will not stick to it. All right. Here we go, folks. I'm going to pour this egg right into the pan here. Yes, there we go. And what we have in this, if you don't remember, I have carne asada from tacos I had last night. I chopped up the meat. I have some chopped up bacon, a little bit of spinach, some red bell pepper, a little bit of regular pepper, and some red onions. Yummy. This is so easy. Easy peasy. And then you just cook this. And you can make these ahead of time. That's the beautiful part of the mason jar scrambled eggs. You can add all kinds of seasonings, have them just sitting there. You can make them at least 5 to 6 days worth. Have them ready, so when you get ready to do your breakfast, there it is. Okay, this egg is almost ready. Looks very good. And if you'd like, you can also add cheese. I mean, it's up to you. There's so many different things you can add. Mushrooms. It's just totally, look at this pan, how it cooks. Mushrooms, it's just whatever vegetables, add, or whatever you want to add to it. This is so good. Oh, so here we go. This egg is almost done. I poured the egg into the pan from the jar with some butter in the pan. I melted some butter, and here we go. And this egg is ready. Very fast, quick and easy recipe. And there you have it. So for those of us that are very busy, mason jar egg. Boom. There it is. Mason jar scrambled eggs. Delicious. All right, I will meet you at my tasting area and we will taste this deliciousness. Hi everyone, we are back in the tasting area and it is time for us to taste this delicious mason jar scrambled egg. I'm ready. I have my magic fork, I'm sure. Let's see what we got here. All right. Deliciousness, one of my favorite words. Yes, deliciousness. So this is so easy. You make these jars ahead of time. 2, 3 eggs, whatever you eat, 4 eggs if you're making them for a family member that, you know, like some of your growing boys and your husband or whoever, or even some of the women, whoever likes, you know, how many ever eggs you want. You put them in the jar, you grab your sides, you pinch them in. I mean, here's red bell pepper, whatever, carne asada. You can use leftover meat from the day before. I mean, really good spinach. I'm gonna make some more of these jars and put them in the fridge. Amazing, amazing, and delicious. Of course, you already know how scrambled eggs are, but this is an easy way to just have everything prepped. All you have to do is go into the fridge, grab your eggs, shake it up, put your oil in the pan, cook your eggs, and be on with it. Okay, so you don't have to chop up anything. You don't have to worry about chopping up your onions. Everything is already pre-made, just sitting in a jar, waiting to be poured in that pan, and quick, yummy, and deliciousness. Thanks for watching. I also was gonna tell you that as a quick little, I chopped up some strawberries, and you can use I use a plastic container, but it's up to you. You can use a mason jar, and sometimes I like to have my eggs, and then afterwards I like to eat something low carb, a cut of oranges or a cut of strawberries. So here you go, a container of cut up strawberries. So if I want to snack on that, I can. Right after I eat all this deliciousness, I can also have a small dessert, which is eggs, of course. And yes, I am watching my weight. This is a delicious meal if you're doing low carb. If you're trying to lose weight, this is delicious. There's no carbs in this. I mean, there might be small amount of carbs. You're not getting, of course, there's no bread, you know, no flour, no anything. So very quick meal. Again, thanks for watching. You guys have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. And if you like, get the bell notifications, because I'm working on doing these videos every Wednesday, uploading something new, something quick, something fresh, something easy for you guys. Okay, bye for now.